Now let's round up our ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound ground beef, 1 medium onion, chopped, 1 green bell pepper, chopped, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, optional, half a cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 cup buttermilk, 2 large eggs, 1 15-ounce can whole kernel corn, drained, 1 15-ounce can creamed corn, half a cup sour cream, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. All right, let's get down to business. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Brown the beef. In a large skillet over medium heat, brown the ground beef, breaking it apart with a spoon. Once it's almost cooked through, toss in the chopped onion and green pepper. Cook until the veggies are softened and the beef is browned. Drain off any excess grease. Mix the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the cornmeal, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and sugar, if using. Combine the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the melted butter, buttermilk, and eggs until smooth. Add the corn and sour cream. Stir in the drained whole kernel. Corn, creamed corn, and sour cream to the wet ingredients. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gently pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. Don't overmix. Fold in the beef mixture. Gently. Fold in the cooked beef mixture into the batter. We want the beef to be evenly distributed throughout the casserole for maximum flavor in every bite. Pour the batter into your prepared baking dish and spread it out evenly. Now, sprinkle that beautiful creation with a generous cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Pop that baby in the preheated oven and bake for 45-50 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once the casserole is baked to perfection, let it cool for about 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This casserole is delicious on its own, but I like to pair it with some southern sides, like collard greens, black-eyed peas, or a simple green salad. Don't overmix the batter. Overmixing can make the cornbread tough. Mix just until the ingredients are combined. Add some heat. Spice things up by adding a diced jalapeno pepper to the beef mixture. Get cheesy. Feel free to experiment with different types of cheese. Monterey Jack, Colby, or even Pepper Jack would be delicious additions. There you have it, folks. A Southern classic that's sure to please everyone at the table. Happy cooking, y'all.